Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am in a hotel liquidation store. This is a store where all of the hotel furniture come to say bye-bye. So when a hotel is done with their furniture and they're renovating or remodeling, they send all their furniture here. Lucky for me, it is like heaven. This is an interior designer, a home stylist, room makeover dream. Now I'm not looking at the style. Well, this chair right here comes with the ottoman, $39. See how great the prices are? Now, what I wanted to say was I'm not looking at the actual colors or patterns. I'm just looking at the potential of the layout of the furniture. Now, if I like the furniture, then you can always cover it or refinish it, upholstery it. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm still shopping for my daughter's bedroom, and I came in here to see what they had, and I was impressed. It was my first time visit, so I'm gazing and touching almost everything. I was in mirror heaven here, and of course, you know your girl got some mirrors. Um, but again, my main focus here is to focus on my daughter's room. But I couldn't help but take you guys on this tour to share with you some of the furniture and their prices. Like this leather set, sofa and love seat, $3.99. Chair combinations with the ottomans, $49. You guys, this ottoman right here, these two are sold separately, but look at the price. It's solid $59. Now you know you're not gonna get that brand new in anybody's store or probably less than 500 bucks. The desk, the chairs, everything. These nightstands are just $39. And they have marble, real marble on top. You can't beat it. Now the cleaning lady has just finished polishing this off. So let me see what the price. $199. Now to me, this piece, it could have been a little bit cheaper, but so far everything else is a steal. Is a steal. This is a steal. You come into the store, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, look at these end tables, $29. Gorgeous. Come with even a glass topping already cut to fit. I like these day beds or chase, what some of you may call them. $99 a piece, leather, wide, big enough for me to sleep on. Isn't they cute? Now, I don't have space in my house for them, so I'm going to leave them alone. I am interested in this piece, however. I don't know if I'll get it though. It's $69 for this buffet. I wish I had the measurements. I might purchase it for my dining room, but at this point, it looks like it may be too big. Now, I don't know what on earth this little table here, it's cute as crap, $49. Is it for indoors or outdoors or just your patio? I don't know, but I thought it was cute and I wanted to share with you. It is so much furniture. This place is huge. And like I said, you can either get it, keep it as it is, just shampoo it, clean it up, or you can refinish it, recover it, reupholster it. Do what you do, you DIYers out there. Look at all these console tables. They even have the glass on them. Isn't that shelf gorgeous? Oh my gosh, you can even get plants. I fell in love right here. It was love at first sight. Mwah. I love this little ottoman and the way it's shaped. It is so cute. It's gray and I think it might work in my daughter's room. What do you think? Well, it's $49 and I love it. They also had this nice leather ottoman sitting beside it for $39, but it wasn't quite my style. However, it's not bad. This one was $39 also, and it is cute. Here's another one, identical to the other one, $49. Now, you guys know that ottoman is hot. I like these pieces too, but I couldn't think of where in my house do I have a theme for it. But they were $19, those lanterns they were. This place also has the pictures. I'm talking about nice quality, pretty pictures, nicely framed and everything. And this is like chair haven. So any style chair you want to purchase, It is definitely in this store. Desk is definitely in the store. Nightstands definitely in this store. So it was so fun, you guys, just walking through the store, checking out everything, and touching everything. Look at all these pictures and look on the end. Do you see here? Wait, I gotta stop. This table here, that's the console table, $19. And these pictures, $19. And it's a ton of them. It's a ton of them. Also, you guys, look at these, how huge these pictures are. I am in love with the ones underneath this table. $5. You guys, $5. I actually kind of want to take them home. There are numbered art. I think I'm for sure they're prints, but they once were something special to somebody, and it come in like four different patterns. So I kind of wanted four of them. I absolutely love them, and the frame is nicely framed. $5, guys. Did you hear me? $5. Okay, okay. I think I said it enough times, but it is so many pictures out here. So many. So I'm walking around and I'm still looking. I'm looking at all the console tables. I'm looking at all the artwork because, they're not to be left behind. And even the tables that they're leaning on are for sale. So everything in the store, lamps, table, decor, is for sale. They even sell rugs in the store. You guys, I'm just checking out some of the different styles of furniture. And if you were an interior designer and doing someone else's homes, this is a good place to start if you're trying to save them some money, because a lot of this stuff looks so easy to reupholster, like this chair here. It would be nice on a patio, a closed-in patio. I think it's gorgeous, as is. Again, like I said, all of these chairs come with their ottomans. I don't know why this particular chair was $80 with the ottoman. It's not that cute to me, but like I said, look at it for what it could be. Look at those green pictures, aren't they gorgeous? Loving all these little console tables at the end of the aisle. Picture Haven. Whatever kind of picture you want, it's there. Whatever color you're looking for, it's there. And I haven't seen any pictures over $19. So they're starting from 5 to 19. Okay, we're cutting into the dining room section. They had lots of different styles of tables. Even like right there, you saw the picnic bench style table. And then here's a little antiquish looking table. I call it timed. And then I like this one. This wood is so, so heavy. Um, I really like that table a lot. And look at the chairs. It's not. It's some furniture. I saw a little bit of stains on it, but for the majority of it, a lot of it was pretty decent in as far as like how it was taken care of. Um, I love these tall columns. I believe this is something that used to sit by the elevator with a big plant on it, but I think I can see that in my house somewhere. I just don't have a big space for it, but I can make room. But it's not what I'm looking for today. Now, there were a bunch of these tables. Unfortunately, this one had a chip on it, but the rest didn't. They were $9, including this table. $9. I couldn't believe the prices. Now, here is where I got stuck, you guys. I was loving these pictures. Is it a fig leaf? These fig leaf pictures are gorgeous. Loving the colors. $5. All this art. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. $5. Oh my gosh. If you're looking for art, it's here. It's here. It's here. I absolutely love the tree with the sunset. I've seen them before. It's $12 for this one, and then the two little ones are $10 a piece, but it goes with that one. I didn't get a good close up, but I also love these trees here. $19. They are huge. They are huge. Like they would really take up a large amount of wall space. Um, Here's a bunch of high back bar stools, carpet, rugs. I'm just passing through, you guys. I know I'm a bit wobbly, but I waddle when I walk, I guess. I'm trying to avoid people. People are walking by with carts. Um, so they have king size beds, frames. I don't know if the mattress is included, but the king size bed is $99. That's for the headboard. They also had this gym style or gym heavy duty equipment from the hotels. You know, they do have a lot of stuff like that that they don't use when they're remodeling. And that's $2.99 for those. And lots of bedding. Look at the rugs hanging on the back of the wall. Oh my gosh. And this blue is gorgeous. I wonder if this lets back into like a bed. Is it a futon? It's beautiful. I thought they had some really cute headboards and things like that. Um, for those of you starting out, this is a good place to come because the furniture is heavy, it's high end, and it is a great quality. I mean, well, that's the same as high end, but the quality is great. You're getting really hardwood stuff, furniture, and it's heavy. You're not getting the cheap stuff. And look at these benches. Now, I was thinking that I could take these benches and put them to my dining room table. Yeah, I was getting unfocused, when I was supposed to be in there looking for something for my daughter's bedroom. Here I am thinking that, hey, I can use these in my dining room. Just change the color. So I'm examining them, trying to see if I can take that fabric off and redo it myself. These are also sold here. Frontliners or front loaders, whatever you want to call them. Washers and dryers are individually for $199 each. Also, they sell lawn furniture, patio furniture. You see them white plastic chairs back there. But these are $14 for the iron chairs with the mesh type seating. And the tables are also $14. It was a ton of them. It's also some on the other side for 14. That's with the darker arms. And lots of plants in the back if you like artificial plants in your home. They also had tons and tons of bar stools with no backs as well. Little pub tables for when you're sitting in the lounge, little lounge, in cocktail tables or whatever you want to call them. Refrigerators in the back, small and large, for those who need refrigerators, and lots and lots of like personalized dinettes. And the table dinettes, I believe they were $10, you guys. And the chairs was $29 a piece. I almost got four of those tables because I was thinking this is exactly what I'm looking for to make my dining room a more functional party style dining room in my home. So they also had the bar stools, the iron ones that people are, into nowadays. They're still in the stores today, and they had a ton of them, black ones. I didn't really pay attention to the price. They also had TVs, TV cabinets. Um, this store had a lot going on. I love those chairs. It had a lot to look at, a lot. Someone was getting this chase, and I was so jealous. Isn't it nice? Oh my gosh, I was so like, I want it. I want it. They have tons and tons of office chairs if you're interested. They're $19 a piece. Um, Sometimes you can use an office table. Chair is a dining room chair. but these all had wheels, so I don't think you should do that. Are you guys enjoying this tour of the store? So let me tell you a little bit about the store. It is in Forsyth, Georgia. It's off Highway 75, near an exit, the first exit, I believe. And it's called Furniture Liquidations or something like that. But it's hotel furniture, only hotel furniture that's been shipped to this location for resale. And so I'm simply in awe. Okay, I'm not even showing you all of this because I had to cut tons of it out because of my shaky hands, and um, I didn't want to make you too dizzy, more dizzier than what I'm already making you. But this store is full, it's loaded, and you have to dig and you have to plunder because you never know what you're going to see or get or what's behind what. So absolutely enjoyed it. I thought this was kind of reminded me of my ottoman with the little tassel at the bottom because it was the exact same color as the tassel, just not as long. But they had nightstands, dressers, desks, lamps, flowers, plants, pictures, vases, and all this marble on all this furniture, day beds, chases, lounge chairs, pub chairs, you name it, it's here. And I just wanted to share it with you. So come on down to Georgia if you're interested in getting you some furniture, or check your local neighborhood and see if you have one in your store in your area. See you guys. Bye.